Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Funda family. In this video, I will solve three interesting problems based on energy and power of the signal. Here, I will identify energy and power for three different signals. So first of all, let me explain calculation of energy and power. See, if you have energy signal, in that case, we have energy that is finite. And in that case, power will be zero. And if you have power signal, then power will be finite. For power signal, power is finite and energy is infinite. So that is the basic thing that one should know. Now here if you observe, we have a signal that is 1 by 2 to the power n u of n. See u of n that is having value 1 from n is equals to 0 to infinity. So here this signal that is ranging for the value of n from 0 to infinity. Right. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll calculate energy of this signal. Now to understand calculation of energy of the signal, one should know the basic equation. Energy is summation where small n is ranging from minus infinity to plus infinity mod of x of n square. Right. Now here, if you carefully observe this signal that is ranging from 0 to infinity as we have u of n. Right. So here this summation that is ranging from 0 to positive infinity and this x of n that is 1 by 2 to the power n and we have square of this. Right. Now if you further simplify this, then here we have summation where small n is ranging from 0 to positive infinity, 1 by 2 square that is 1 by 4 and to the power n is there with us. Now one can easily solve this if you know series. Like if you have small n is ranging from 0 to positive infinity, a to the power n, then that will be 1 divided by 1 minus a provided a is lower than 1. Right. So this is the standard equation of series. Now here if you observe this 1 by 4 that is a, but obviously it is lower than 1. And here small n is ranging from 0 to infinity means this will be 1 divided by 1 minus a where a is 1 by 4. Right. So 1 minus 1 by 4 that is 3 by 4 in denominator it is there. So in total it will be 4 by 3. Right. So that is how one can solve question. Now here if you observe, we have energy that is finite 4 by 3. If you have finite energy, then but obviously here we have energy signal and power will be 0. Right. For energy signal, we have energy that is finite and power is 0. Now let me solve second signal. Now if you observe, see second signal is x of n is equals to 2 to the power n u of n. Right. Now here, if you carefully observe, we have signal that is 2 to the power n u of n means here small n is there from 0 to infinity. Right. U of n is unit step signal that is having range from n is equals to 0 to n is equals to infinity. Now simply here what I'll do is I'll be applying same equation of energy. So here energy is summation where small n is ranging from minus infinity to plus infinity x of n square. Now here let us apply x of n. So here we have u of n means range is there from 0 to infinity. So small n is ranging from 0 to infinity and value is 2 to the power n and here we have square of it. So if you further simplify this, then here we have square means we have 4 to the power n. Right. Now see previously I have told you that if you have a series where n is ranging from 0 to infinity a to the power n, that is 1 by 1 minus a. But here this small a is lower than 1. If this small a is greater than 1, then but obviously this algebraic addition that will be going towards infinity, right? This value that is there for a lower than 1. But here if you observe, we have 4 to the power n with this series. So but obviously this is infinity. With this you cannot apply that same equation, right? So here energy is infinity. If you have infinite energy, then but obviously there is a possibility that given signal may be power signal, right? So here now we need to calculate power as well. So if you calculate power, equation is limit capital N is going towards infinite, 1 divided by n plus 1 summation, where small n is ranging from 0 to capital N, and here we have x of n whole square, right? That is the standard equation which we have. Now here if you substitute x of n, then here that x of n, that will be 2 to the power n, that one can say, right? So this will be in total 4 to the power n if you do squaring of 2 to the power n, right? Now here if you perform this algebraic addition, right, where n is going towards infinity, then this summation will be infinity. If this summation is infinity, then but obviously this power will be also infinite, right? What it means? It means here this signal, that is neither energy nor power signal. So that is how one can understand calculation of energy and power. Now let me solve last problem of this video. See here in last problem, we have x of n, that is 2 to the power n u of minus n minus 1. Let me plot this signal first. After that, I'll explain how to calculate energy and power of this. Now see here we have 2 to the power n. So if you plot 2 to the power n, then, but obviously that will be happening like this. See, it will be increasing exponentially. This is 2 to the power n, right? Now here, see 2 to the power n into u of minus n minus 1 is there with us. So, but obviously this signal that will be starting from n is equals to minus 1, means it will be starting from here, right? And see here we have minus n minus 1, means it will be going towards negative infinity. So this signal that will be appearing like this, you see. It will be appearing like this in this direction, right? So here we have a signal that is having maximum amplitude over here at minus 1, and that will be but obviously half at minus 2. Here if you substitute minus 2, that will be 1 by 4. At minus 3, it will be 1 by 8. That is how amplitudes are there, right? So here we have highest amplitude, that is half, and towards negative infinity, it is decreasing. So here we have finite amplitudes addition, means given signal will be energy signal only. Now question is to calculate that energy, right? So equation is energy is equals to summation, where small n is ranging from minus infinite to plus infinite, x of n square. Here if you carefully observe, we have u of minus n minus 1, which is ranging from minus 1 to minus infinity. So small n is ranging from minus 1 to minus infinity. At that time it is 2 to the power n. So here 2 to the power n whole square, what it means? It means we have 4 to the power n, right? Now here we have a range from minus 1 to minus infinity, right? And see, this can be simplified by replacing n is equals to minus n. Like if you replace n is equals to minus n, then this 4 will be 1 by 4, right? Like see here if you replace n is equals to minus n, then this small n. Now that will be ranging from 1 to positive infinity, right? So what it means? It means now we have summation where small n is ranging from 1 to infinity, 1 by 4 to the power n. Now see this value of a that is lower than 1. So here we can apply equation of series. But if you observe, here we have range from 1 to infinity. So if you have a range from 1 to infinity a to the power n, then that will be a divided by 1 minus a provided a is lower than 1. This is the standard equation. If range is there from 0 to infinity, then equation is 1 divided by 1 minus a provided a is lower than 1. And if range is there from 1 to infinity, then this will be a divided by 1 minus a provided a is lower than 1. So for this, we can apply this equation. So we'll be having 1 by 4 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. So in denominator, we have 3 by 4. In numerator, we have 1 by 4. Means we have in total value 1 by 3. So energy of signal is 1 by 3. Means here we have finite energy. So power will be 0. Right. So that is how one can understand calculation of energy and power. So I have calculated energy and power for discrete signals over here. If you want to understand continuous signal, then you just go through my video lecture series of signals and systems in which I have solved many problems. In this video lecture series of digital signal processing, I have considered discrete signals only. The reason is in this subject, we are deal with to understand digital signals means discrete signals, right? I hope you have understood this. Still, if you have any confusion, just place that in comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.